Hi, this is Mike, Captain Tie-Dye from Just Rockin Out. Right now I'm going to show you how to prepare the soda ash and water in order to get your shirt or whatever item you're dyeing ready to be dyed. The first thing you're going to want to do though is put on your gloves. After you have your gloves on, you're going to want to fill a bucket of water or a tub with about 1.5 gallons of water. You can use tap water, and that should be plenty. Then you're going to want to take your soda ash, open the bag, take something to stir the water with, stir the water, and mix this in as you're stirring. It seems to work a little bit better. Make sure it's all in there. There we go. And stir this for probably about 2 minutes or so, and make sure it's thoroughly mixed, and then it'll be time for your shirts to go into it. Now that your soda ash solution is ready, you can put your shirts in it. You can put more than one shirt in at a time, or into it at a time. Just be sure they're completely submerged. I can put several shirts in here. There we go. And another one. Okay, just be sure that they're completely submerged. And now these have to sit for about 10 minutes. Now that you've let the items you're going to dye sit in the soda ash solution for at least 10 minutes, be sure you still have your gloves on. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take it out and wring the excess water out of these. You don't want them dry, you want them still wet, so you're not trying to get all the water out. You just want to get it so it's not dripping at all. Kind of like this. There, that should be good.